New car shopping? Before you sign anything, check out the 10 most unreliable vehicles of 2024 to avoid a world of trouble. Number 10. Volkswagen Jetta. Kicking off our list is the Volkswagen Jetta, scoring a dismal 25 out of 100 in reliability. This car struggles in several key areas, including the drivetrain, climate system, brakes, and in-car electronics. This might not surprise you if you're familiar with Volkswagen's track record in North America. The Jetta's issues often extend beyond the warranty period, leading to higher-than-average repair costs. When competitors like the Mazda 3 and Honda Civic offer better build quality and reliability, the Jetta doesn't stand out positively. Unless you enjoy frequent trips to the mechanic, this one is best left on the dealership lot. Beyond the repair costs and reliability issues, the Jetta's resale value also tends to be lower than its more reliable peers. This means not only will you spend more on repairs, but you'll also likely lose more money when it's time to sell. The Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla might be a better choice if you're looking for a compact car with a strong track record. Number 9. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Next on the list is the Jeep Grand Cherokee, with a reliability score of just 23 out of 100. This makes it the least reliable vehicle in Jeep's lineup. Owners have reported numerous issues, including problems with the drivetrain, steering, suspension, in-car electronics, and overall build quality. Despite its popularity and the satisfaction expressed by many owners, an equal number of unhappy drivers have encountered numerous headaches. While Jeeps are renowned for their off-road capabilities and rugged appeal, stellar reliability isn't typically one of their strong suits. If you're looking for a reliable SUV, exploring other options is best. Despite its rugged looks and off-road capabilities, the Grand Cherokee has struggled with quality control. The infotainment system frequently malfunctions, and numerous recalls have occurred over the years. For a more reliable SUV with similar off-road prowess, consider the Toyota 4Runner. Number 8. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier also scores 23 out of 100, which might surprise some given its reputation for durability. However, the issues primarily stem from the 2022 and 2023 model years, which have experienced build quality problems. This is not uncommon for vehicles that have undergone a complete redesign. While the drivetrain and mechanical components remain solid, these initial quality concerns have negatively impacted the Frontier's reliability ranking. As Nissan addresses these early issues, we may see improvements in future models, but for now, it's wise to be cautious with the recent releases. The Frontier's redesign aimed to modernize the truck, but it appears Nissan might have rushed some aspects of the new model. Owners have reported issues with the latest technology integrations and build quality. The Toyota Tacoma remains a strong contender for a mid-sized truck with a solid reputation. Number 7. Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T, a newcomer in the electric vehicle market, scores a low 23 out of 100. Given its novelty and the advanced technology it brings, this isn't entirely surprising. It's common for manufacturers to encounter teething issues when introducing entirely new vehicles. The R1T is packed with innovative features, and while this is exciting, it also means that early adopters might face a period of refinement. Essentially, buyers of these pioneering vehicles become quality testers during the warranty period. If you prioritize reliability and want to avoid potential issues, it might be best to wait until Rivian has had more time to iron out the kinks. Rivian has made waves with its innovative electric trucks, but being a new company means they're still ironing out the bugs. Early adopters play a crucial role in this, but it can be frustrating dealing with unforeseen issues. If you're eager for an electric truck, the Ford F-150 Lightning might offer a more stable experience. Number 6. Volvo XC60 plug-in version. The Volvo XC60, particularly the plug-in hybrid version, comes in with a score of 21 out of 100. Since Volvo's transition under Chinese ownership and the introduction of its latest electrified lineup, reliability has been inconsistent. While Volvo vehicles are renowned for their safety features and luxury, long-term ownership may come with some risks. The plug-in hybrid version in particular has faced issues that have hurt its reliability score. If you're considering a Volvo for its safety and luxury, it might be worth looking into other models or ensuring you have a robust warranty plan in place. Volvo's focus on safety and luxury is commendable, but their newer models have faced reliability challenges, especially with plug-in hybrid systems. If you're looking for a reliable plug-in hybrid SUV, the Toyota RAV4 Prime is an excellent alternative with strong reviews. Number 5. Mercedes EQS. The Mercedes EQS, despite being a relatively new model, scores a disappointing 20 out of 100. Mercedes's foray into electric vehicles has been met with ongoing quality issues. Known for their luxurious design and advanced technology, Mercedes vehicles often come with a premium price tag, but this hasn't translated to reliability in the case of the EQS. Persistent problems have plagued this model, making it a less reliable choice. If you're set on a luxury electric vehicle, it might be prudent to wait until Mercedes resolves these issues or to consider other brands with better reliability ratings. As Mercedes dives deeper into the electric vehicle market, growing pains are expected. However, given the brand's premium status, these issues can be disappointing. For those wanting a luxury EV, the Tesla Model S or the Audi e-tron might be worth considering, as they have shown better reliability in comparison to the EQS. Number 4. Mercedes C-Class. With a score of just 19 out of 100, the Mercedes C-Class is the least reliable Mercedes in the entire study. Virtually every aspect of this car has been reported as problematic, with issues increasing notably when Mercedes introduced a redesigned C-Class for 2023. This makes it one of the least reliable luxury vehicles overall, suggesting that it's best to steer clear of this model. If you're looking for a reliable luxury sedan, some other brands and models offer better reliability without compromising on luxury. The 2023 redesign of the C-Class has brought with it a slew of reported problems, from engine issues to malfunctioning electronics. While the luxury and performance of a Mercedes are appealing, reliability can be a significant drawback. For a more dependable luxury sedan, consider the Lexus ES or the BMW 3 Series, both known for their better reliability records. Number 3. Ford F-150 Hybrid. The Ford F-150 Hybrid ranks poorly with a score of 19 out of 100, making it the least reliable Ford vehicle this year. This is a notable downgrade from the regular F-150. Most of the issues with the hybrid variant are powertrain-related, spanning engine, electrical, drive system, and transmission concerns. Interestingly, the all-electric F-150 Lightning had fewer issues, suggesting that Ford might still be working out the kinks with their hybrid technology. If you're in the market for a reliable truck, it might be better to stick with the traditional F-150 or explore other brands. While the idea of a hybrid truck is great for fuel savings and environmental impact, the F-150 Hybrid's execution leaves much to be desired. Frequent issues with the powertrain and electrical systems make it a less appealing choice. For a more reliable hybrid truck experience, you might look at the Toyota Tundra Hybrid, which has received better reviews in terms of reliability. Number 2. Volkswagen Taos. The Volkswagen Taos secures the second spot with a reliability score of only 18 out of 100, making it the least reliable Volkswagen in the study. Its low reliability is matched by very low owner satisfaction ratings. Previous criticisms of the Taos have been confirmed by this data, highlighting that it's best avoided by those seeking a small crossover SUV. With numerous competitors offering better reliability and satisfaction, Taos falls short in several key areas. The Taos has not only struggled with reliability, but also with owner satisfaction. Complaints about the vehicle's performance and comfort are common. In the competitive small SUV market, options like the Honda CR-V or Mazda CX-5 offer much more in terms of reliability and owner satisfaction. Both of these competitors provide better overall quality and are well regarded for their dependability and features. Number 1. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Taking the unfortunate title of the least reliable vehicle of the year is the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, with a score of just 14 out of 100. Its hybrid system, electronics, and drivetrain are plagued with issues, making it a poor choice for those prioritizing reliability. Even the non-hybrid Pacifica model doesn't fare much better, with Chrysler ranking at the bottom of the reliability survey. For those in the market for a reliable minivan, it's best to steer clear of the Pacifica and explore other options instead. Alternatives like the Honda Odyssey or Toyota Sienna offer better reliability and satisfaction. The Pacifica Hybrid's low reliability score is particularly disappointing for families looking for a dependable minivan. Frequent issues with the hybrid system, electronics, and drivetrain mean more time spent at the repair shop. Additionally, the cost of repairs for the Pacifica tends to be higher than average, adding to the frustration. The Honda Odyssey and Toyota Sienna are better options for a reliable and family-friendly minivan experience, providing peace of mind and fewer trips to the mechanic. So there you have it, the 10 most unreliable cars and SUVs you should avoid in 2024. These vehicles have earned their spots on this list for all the wrong reasons, and steering clear of them can save you from endless headaches and repair costs. It's crucial to do thorough research before making a purchase, and consumer reliability studies like this one are an invaluable resource. If you've had any experiences with these vehicles, good or bad, we'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Sharing your stories can help fellow viewers make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest car reviews, tips, and industry news.